Hey guys, okay. Well, welcome to another classroom strategy. So today we are going to talk about wait time, or some people say processing time. Um, so wait time is essential for children with special needs to allow processing, communication, and skill development, helping to reduce their frustration and challenging behaviors. So let's talk about this. Let's say we have a kiddo who is coming down the hall, maybe from gym down to the classroom, and he throws himself on the floor. And we want him to stand up and go back to class. First of all, what materials do you have on you? Because you should have your visuals to help with the communication piece. So if you aren't using your visuals, make sure that happens. The second is making sure we give the kid time to process. So little Johnny is on the floor, and I, as his teacher, say, stand up. Stand up. And then I give him a hand. And then I don't say anything. I keep my mouth shut. Stand up. We're going to jump back to the class. Hands. So the way I do it, when I want to talk about or think about wait time, especially when I'm frustrated, I just want things to go my way. Oftentimes, I will do this. For example, I'm going to still say stand up. So stand up. When I'm okay, like right now, I can wait. When I'm frustrated, typically I'll go stand up, stand up. Well, that doesn't allow them to process. So how I do that is I say it the first time. When I want to say it the second time, I bite my tongue and then I count to 3 to 5. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to really show how I actually do it when I'm frustrated. Stand up, stand up. Now, I really showed you how I bite my tongue. I don't make that face. I don't want to show the child I'm frustrated or anything, but I really do allow myself to feel, nope, you're not supposed to talk right now. You need to allow them that wait time as a reminder. So, again, you should allow wait time. You should be using your visuals or some sign, but it should not always be things coming out of your mouth. You need to allow them wait time to actually get through their processing. And not just that, I want you to remember that words can be too much. So if you say stand up and they don't get it the first time and they don't get it the second time, they might really need to see it. So use those visuals. And remember, less words are more with our students. So here's my job, or here's your job. I would like you guys to meet in your teams. I would like you guys to record some sort of thing that you guys are doing, taking turns by waiting and being a teacher, and make it very clear that this is how I'm waiting. I don't care if you have to show me that you're I want to make sure you guys are keeping your mouth closed for a little bit longer. All right? Thanks, guys. See you later.